Hello everyone. Welcome to Enfinity. Today we are going to discuss how to create a journal in the Enfinity system. A journal is a subsidiary book of account that records monetary transactions according to accounting standards. These transactions are recorded in chronological order and provide details about the accounts affected by each transaction. To create a journal transaction, click on the Accounting module from the top menu bar. After clicking on it, you will see an option for Journal on the left side of the page. Click on the Journal option. A new window will open. As we can see, there is a New button at the top. To create a new journal, click on the New button. After clicking on it, you will see multiple options. Specify the transaction date. If you want to mention references, add them here. Mention any remarks if needed. Once you have added these header details, click on the Save button. After clicking on the Save button, specify the account. Specify whether the amount is debit or credit. Specify the amount. Once you specify the details, click on the plus button icon at the bottom to add a line. To add a new line, you can use the shortcut key from the keyboard, Shift plus down arrow. After clicking on it, you can now add another account. Once you have added the second account, repeat the process as needed. If you have multiple lines and want to add in a single transaction, we have an export and import option. If you want to export the data of the journal transaction by clicking on the Export option, it will provide you a record in Excel. Now if you want to import multiple lines, mention the data in the required format and import it. After clicking on the Import button, you can see the records are showing in this transaction. After this, click on the Save button. After clicking on the Save button, it will show you in the journal listing. As we can see, double-click on the journal transaction. Now if we want to post this journal, you have to approve this. To approve the transaction, click on the Approve button. Thank you for watching.